This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Rob Napier. Embrace a comfortable, low-maintenance lifestyle in a welcoming community. Whether you're a first-time homebuyer, downsizing, or seeking an investment property, this charming condominium offers a perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and community, making it an ideal choice for individuals or small families. Situated in the heart of Palm Bay, you will have easy access to shopping centers, dining options, schools, and parks. For those who enjoy outdoor activities, the nearby Turkey Creek Sanctuary offers hiking trails and opportunities to observe Florida's unique wildlife. Upon entering the condo, you'll step into a bright and airy living space. The open-concept design seamlessly connects the living room, dining area, and kitchen, creating a comfortable flow for daily living and entertaining. Large windows flood the living room with natural light, giving it a warm and inviting atmosphere. The kitchen is a standout feature of this condo. It boasts newer appliances, and ample cabinet space. The stackable washer and dryer also convey with the unit. The condo features 2 bedrooms, each with its own closet for storage. The primary bedroom is spacious and can easily accommodate a king-size bed. A private ensuite bathroom adds a touch of luxury to your daily routine. The second bedroom is equally comfortable and versatile, making it ideal for guests, a home office, or a nursery. An additional full bathroom serves this bedroom and guests alike. Residents have access to the community swimming pool for those hot Florida days, and the common areas provide a great place to relax, read a book, or socialize with neighbors. 2 dedicated parking spaces right outside your front door ensure you will always have a place to park. For more information, review the details below.